Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the debut of Season 2. Huge shout out to everyone that is tuning in. Before we get into the learning target of the day, I need you to do me a huge favor. Hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. I'm going to give you a few quick seconds to do that. If you subscribed and hit that like button, thank you. If you are just watching and you didn't hit that subscribe button yet, I still appreciate you. I'm still glad you're here. DJ, break them off with a beat for the learning target of the day. The learning target of the day for Wednesday, July 6th is I can understand that the two digits in a two-digit number represent ones and tens. Success criteria: identify the digit in the ones place, identify the digit in the tens place, write the number in expanded form. So for this episode of the Mr. Camilleri Show, I am going to demonstrate my understanding of place value by identifying the ones place and the tens place in 5 different two-digit numbers. Now, in episode 2 and episode 3, we might get into 3 and 4 digit numbers which deal with the hundreds place and the thousands place, but we're not going to worry about the hundreds and thousands place today. For today, we're just focusing on place value with 2-digit numbers, and the ones and tens place is all we need to worry about for today. So without further ado, let's get into this. I have no idea why I just did the hand in front of my face thing after saying the words "let's get into this." Looking back on it, it's actually kind of corny. I don't know why I did that, but without further ado, let's get to the math. All right, first example here. So we're going to start with the number 12. Now, any problems dealing with place value, and definitely later on when we get into adding and subtracting numbers, you always want to start with the digit all the way to the right. The digit all the way to the right is the digit that's in the ones place. So in the number 12, the number 2 is in the ones place, so we have 2 ones. And then the number 1 is in the tens place. So for the number 12, we have 1 10 and we have 2 ones. I'm going to give you guys a quick visual to show what that looks like. So everybody watching has a visual. In the number 12, we have 2 ones and 1 10. So now I'm going to write the number 12 in expanded form. So in the number 12, we have 110. So 110 is worth 10. And we have 2 ones. So 10 plus 2. That would be the expanded form for the number 12. All right, example number 2 now. We have the number 25, so I'm going to identify the number in the ones place. Remember, to identify the number in the ones place, you look at the number that the digit that's farthest to the right. Whichever digit is farthest to the right, that's the one that's going to be in the ones place. So we have 2 and 5. So for 25, 5 is the digit that's in the ones place, and 2 is the digit that's in the tens place. So in the number 25, we have 2 tens and 5 ones. So to give everybody watching a visual, in the number 25, we have 5 ones. So I'm going to bring 5 ones out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we have 2 tens. So 1, and 2. So now I'm going to write the number 25 in expanded form. So in the number 25, we have 2 tens. So counting by tens, 10, 20. So 2 tens are worth 20. So the value in the tens place would be 20. And 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 ones. 20 plus 5. So 25 in expanded form would be 20 plus 5. All right, example number 3. We have the number 59. So looking at the digit all the way to the right, always start with the digit all the way to the right. So the digit all the way to the right in the number 59 is 9. So there are 9 ones in the number 59. 9 is the number in the ones place. And in the number 59, there are 5 tens. So 5 will be the number in the tens place. All right, stay tuned for the visual. All right, so in the number 59, we have 9 ones. So I'm going to bring 9 ones out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have 9 ones, and we have 5 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So we have 5 tens and 9 ones in the number 59. So the very last step is to write 59 in an expanded form. You just heard me count by tens. There's 5 tens in the number 59. You just heard me count by tens. So the number in the tens place is worth 50. So we have 50 plus 9. The number 59 in expanded form would be 50 plus 9. All right, example number 4. All right, so the fourth example we have is the number 82. As always, we identify the ones place by looking at the digit all the way to the right. The digit all the way to the right is 2. So the number in the ones place in the number of 82 is 2. The digit in the tens place is 8. So the number in the tens place is 8. In the number 82, we have 8 tens and 2 ones. All right, so we have the number 82 here, and I'm going to give you guys a visual now. So we have 2 ones, so I'm going to bring out 2 ones. 1, 2. We have 8 tens, so I'm going to bring out 8 tens, and I'm actually going to count by 10 as I'm bringing out each of the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. So we have 8 tens. So we have a value of 80 in the tens place, and we have 2 ones. So a value of 2 in the ones place. So the final step for this problem, I'm going to write the number 82 in expanded form. You heard me count out, you just heard me count by tens. So 8 tens is equal to a value of 80. So the value in the tens place is 80. 2 ones is a value of 2. So the value in the ones place is 2. So 82 in expanded form would be 80 plus 2. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, final example of the day. We have the number 97. As always, to identify the ones place, we go to the digit that's all the way to the right. So in the number 97, the digit all the way to the right is a 7. So we have a 7 in the ones place. And the digit in the tens place is a 9. So we have a 9 in the tens place. Moving on to the visuals. All right, so now for the visuals, the number 97, we have 7 ones, so I'm going to bring out 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then I have 9 tens. And I'm going to count by 10. I'm going to count by 10 as I bring out the 9 tens. 10. 20. 30. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. All right, so now I'm going to write the number 97 in expanded form. So we have 9 tens, and you just heard me count by tens. So 9 tens equals a value of 90. And there are 7 ones in the number 97, so 7 ones equal a value of 7. So the number 97 in expanded form is 90 plus 7. And that is our show for today. After practicing some math problems, I encourage all of you to go outside, have fun, and enjoy your summer. I am about to go and practice what I preach. Have a great day, everybody.